My dear friend, this narrative is in English for our English-speaking friends and Europeans who will understand English. I wrote this article about space February 2006, and I sent it to Mikio Kiku, the astrophysicist, a quantum mechanic scientist, that also is a friend of mine, and he agreed greatly in what I am going to read to you now. So the title of this article is Space, Unknown, Immense, Open Area. In this open area made of matter float many bubbles. Each bubble contains inside of it several smaller bubbles or universes, and they also are shaped like bubbles. The bubble has antimatter, while the smaller bubbles or universes contained inside it are made of matter and gravity. In each universe, the force of gravity and matter created all known objects such as galaxies, stars, solar systems, and so on. Within a bubble, there are several smaller bubbles or universes, where the number of dimensions and law of physics change according to the different dimensions levels. In our own universe, at the moment, we measure vast distances by light speed. The law of physics says that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. The speed can be slower or faster in a universe with different dimension levels. If we look at our own solar system and the known universe around us, with galaxies and stars, we see that everything is round. Therefore, we can assume that the bubble containing our universe and the other nearby bubbles are also round-shaped. Our universe is expanding, and the bubble one day will enlarge until it will burst. When our bubble universe, which contains matter, will burst, it will come in contact with antimatter and will be destroyed. At that critical time, when our universe bubble will enlarge, we will be closer to the nearby parallel universe, nearby bubble. Therefore, it will be possible to migrate inside the next universe, from where we can see the destruction of our own universe and later the creation of a new one. Naturally, migrating from our universe to the next one, we will find the different law of physics, and the speed of light can be different. By that time, we will be not any more physical human beings, but we have evolved into different forms of life, becoming immortals. Longer span of life, where our brain, intelligence, will be stored into artificial bodies, without the need to eat or to breathe, therefore being able to survive in any environment. That's the end of this short chapter about space. Now I will read you a very interesting article, another interesting article, also very short, which I titled, What is the Big Bang? Let's think there was a life form that, like chickens, can lay down eggs. After time, the embryo inside the egg reach its maturity, and breaking the shell emerge from one universe inside the egg into a much larger universe, our known universe. Take, for instance, the miracle of human life. There is a female vagina where many eggs are reproduced each month, waiting to be fertilized. At the end of the month, if not fertilized the eggs, universe's bubbles, they are destroyed and later created again until the male penis enters the vagina. Penis equal universe, entering vagina equal different universe. The sperm created by the friction of these two universes will travel at light speed toward the eggs. The spermatozoa will be able to penetrate into a virgin egg or empty universe, and in doing so will create a human embryo. The human embryo will reside for 9 months inside this egg. Universe bubble. Following the physical laws of that universe until the time when it will be expulsed out of it. Now the embryo is a full developed child finding himself in a new universe or dimension and must learn many new lessons to conform and survive in this new habitat. The Big Bang can be viewed in the same way. Our universe, parallel universes, extra bubbles, or universes are configuration of a larger picture. We will be able to see the whole picture only when we will be able to be so advanced to detach ourselves from this entity and from far away look at the whole picture. Only then we will know if we are parts of a machine or if we are only a virus in a cell of a larger living form, and then we will learn the reason of Big Bangs. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and please comment as freely as you like. Have a nice Sunday.